Give me 2 minutes, I'll be back. चलो अम्मा. Let's discuss little bit about what to vector. Then we'll start that. What to vector. Our main goal is, write it now, our main goal is to convert text to number vector. Number vector. This is also called as embedding vector. Embeddings. Also called as embeddings. So this is our main goal. In order to achieve a main goal, we'll learn that first method is bag of words. That is called BOW, and TF-IDF, that's called term frequency, multiply with inverse document frequency. Both having some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks? It will not able to identify the contextual meaning relationship between the words. First of all, both are traditional approach. Traditional approach means a simple mathematics way, simple math way, and both are not able to find the semantic meaning between words from a given sentence. Note down it. Also, using above methods, the vectors size is sparse, so much computation required. So much computation required. Drawbacks. Where is Kumar Rahman? Okay, na? Now, first time Google is created a neural network approach on this. So, if you see, this both are depends on formulas only. So, now first time, in order to create the word embeddings, Google has developed a neural network approach, and that they given the name is called word to vector. Word to vector. So, word to vector means a neural network approach. Kumar visits hospital. Huh? So, now this is the entire sentence. The sentence we are again turning up to a now input vectors, and the input vectors here there is a hidden layer and there is a output vector, output layer, simple. Now first time Google has created a something like this architecture, input layer, now hidden layer and output layer. But what is input, what is output? That is the maja here, that is the beauty here. So they want their main focus is to identifying that thing is, suppose the cat sat on the mat, on the mat. Suppose this is a full sentence. The cat sat on the mat. Now here They want to create the word embeddings of the cat. They want to create a word embedding, a vector for the cat. A vector for the cat, a word vector. General, how you will create, China? You will create like this, na? How many times is this is there? Suppose this statement, how much is the vocabulary? First you will make a vocabulary. What is the vocabulary? Same. Suppose maybe another sentence also there. Another sentence also there. You will first you will create a vocabulary, and then suppose bag of words means what you will do? This is the you will keep order wise. Order wise, kya hota order wise? Cat, and then A, B, C, D, then mat, next, next, stat, then diya, maybe one, maybe two. For example, like this will create a bag of words. So they created a embedding vector same way like this, but in the neural network approach. So what they will do is they trained with the so much data. So much data means I think almost is the 3 billion words. 3 billion or million, I think. 3 million. 3 million words. 3 million words. Word to vector developed by Google. You can just type it. Word to vector trained on Google News data. So about 100 billion words, amma. 100 billion words, new data set. 100 billion words. So they are taking the data set is 100 billion data set. They are taken some data set that is called Google News. In that 100 billion words are there. They are concentrating how many now here? 3 million words. They are concentrating on the, so they are worked on 3 million words. So they trained the model like this. Now this approach is like this. You want to identify the, like this, suppose you want to see the cat bracket dash on the sat on the mat. Then you want to identify this sat. First they will concentrate on the how many words sat left side has, how many words sat right side has. If it is the one word, this is called unigram. What is that, ma? Unigram, gram. If you take two words, it is called what? Bigram. If you take two words, it's called what, ma? How many words? Bigram. Unigramma, bigramma. First they will decide how many words you need to take surrounding words. Like in the nearest neighbors will take na the Canaan imputation method. Instead of taking all the words, we'll take only the nearest words. Suppose you take in the unigram. So using cat, using on, you need to identify the mat. From using cat, using on, how mat will come? What is the relation? What is the mat? Sat? Sat, my bad. Using sat. What is the relation? Which means they are creating a like this. So this is the cat vector. This is the on vector. They both are combinedly called as input vector. Both are combinedly called as what, ma? Input vector. Then one hidden layer is there. That hidden layer size is equal to 300. Then one output vector is there. That output vector nothing but your sat. So which means here cat will be there because you know the input. This is a cat. This is a cat one hot encoder. One hot encoder from the vocabulary. Your vocabulary, what is the cat length? Suppose you have a dictionary is there, vocabulary dictionary is there. Your Oxford dictionary is there. A and the and somewhere cat is there, somewhere cat is there, and somewhere last zebra is there. This is, imagine that this is your vocabulary dictionary. In your vocabulary dictionary, then cat means 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0, 0, all zeros. So this one hot encoder you will pass here. What is your vocabulary? Imagine that your vocabulary is the 500 size. Your vocabulary kitna? 500 size. In 500, cat number is equal to 100 number. Cat number kitna ma? 100 number. So your this vector also, how much length will be there now? 500. 500. Now next, who is that another one? On. This on also how many now? 500. So but here we don't know. Somewhere is on is there. 0, 0, 0, 0. Somewhere on will come. Somewhere on will come. Remaining all are again what again? 0, 0, 0. This you know cat one hot encoder. On one hot encoder you know. Same way sat also there na. Sat also output also. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Somewhere one will come. And again remaining all are 0, 0, 0, 0. This is also what ma? 500. 500 vector. Total 500 vector. Total 500 vector. Total 500 vector. Maybe here at 100th place cat available. Maybe here at 200 place on is available. Maybe here sat at 300 place sat will be available. You know input, you know what? Output. Then real game will come. What is the real game? Neural network. Neural network knows the input. Neural network knows the output. Keep on go come. Keep on go come. Keep on go come. Forward propagation, backward propagation. Forward propagation, backward propagation. Finally, it will make to understand why this is the input, why this is the output. Some understanding will happen. That is the beauty of the neural network now. When any neural network, you know the input, you know the output, it will try to predict what? Patterns. Try to predict what? Patterns. That patterns are your weights now. That patterns what now? Your weights. So this weights here in the neuron, this is very, very important ma. The neuron size is equal to 300 ma. How much size is hidden layer size? 300. So here technically you will get a 300 into. Suppose this is called V vector. It's called which vector ma? V vector, or you take I vector. I vector. I into hidden vector. I into H times will come. Correct? I into H times will come. Suppose this O vector. Then what will come ma? H into O times. How many times this 300 is there? That is your nothing but word embedding. That is the word embedding for whom? SAT. That is the word vector for the SAT. Like that, they are trained for all how many? 3 million words. And they stored for you. That become called pre-trained model. That is. Now here, you taken that. Yesterday, TF-IDF we taken. When we taken, there is a big sparse matrix, 11,806. Do you remember? 891 into what? 891 into 11,000 again, are? But here, every word has only 300 dimension vector. That's all. Why? Because hidden layer how many neurons? 300. That is the important interview question. That is the important interview question. Understood? Getting what I am saying? So this is called CBOW method. Continuous bag of words. CBOW. like this. These are the input, these are the output, input hidden layer, and that is the predicted one hot encoder output layer. Same approach. That is called CBOW. Here you see, hope can reset you free. Hope set. Hope set. What is the output they are predicting? Can. So this is the hope vector. This is the set vector. How you are getting these vectors? By using vocabulary. Your vocabulary, your pre-trained model, your fine-tuned model. There Google already trained the vocabulary, na? From there it will come. From there it will come. That is the vocabulary. Simple approach. Now, let's see here. Transfer learnings. Aga our famous transfer learnings now. Let's see. Somebody explained this. Let's see how they are explained. Let's give me a minute. So this is the architecture. Bolo, what is the VT2 minus T1 T1? What is that meaning? Tell me. What is that meaning? Bolo ra. What is that ra? Text 1, word 1, word 2, word 3, word 4. Left side 2 words, right side 2 words. How many words is taken? 4 words. Then this is which gram? 4 gram, na re? 4 gram, by gram, 1 gram, 5 gram. By gram, 2 words. 2 words left side, 2 words right side. This is your actual output, VT. That's why what they given? T plus 1, T minus 2, T minus 1, T plus 1 and T plus 2. Now that is called a bigram approach. Now write it now in the Word document. Let's see. Put heading O2 vector. O2 vector. The name is self saying, na? Converting words to it is a pre-trained approach. It is a pre-trained model developed by Google in 2013. First time the embeddings generating using a neural network approach. Neural network approach. Google trained on huge corpora around 100 billion words, around 100 billion words data. In that they picked 3 million words. It is simple network. It is very simple. It is one input layer, one hidden layer, and one output layer. The hidden layer number of neurons. The number of neurons has 300 in hidden layer. It has two approaches. One is CBOW, continuous bag of words. Predicting the target word, predicting the target from surrounding words. Predicting the target word from the surrounding words. Skip gram. Predicting the surrounding words using target word. Okay, chalo put heading CBOW. What to vector. Right, for example, consider a sentence. Consider a sentence. Hmm. Now, what is the sentence? Suppose the cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. Another sentence. The mat sat on the mat on the cat. So the mat on the cat. Another sentence. Imagine that you have two sentences. Sentence 1 and sentence 2. First, step number 1, we need to create the vocabulary. Vocabulary. Google has already a vocabulary. But if you want to do your data, how can we do? First, we need to create our vocabulary. How many our data? How many words are there? Google already created a vocabulary. How much vocabulary that is? 3 million. They concentrated how many ma? That is equal to 3 million words. But this is your data. But imagine you are working. You are working only on about 2 sentences. So fine tuning you are doing. Imagine that. Now, how much is the vocabulary? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, huh? So vocabulary size is equal to 5. What are those? Bolama, cat, comma, ana, mat, comma, on, dia, sat, comma, the. That's step number 2. Vocabulary done. Step number 2. Set up your target word. Set up your target word. You can take any word. Okay. According to you can take mat also, cat also, or you can take on also. For the first sentences you take from the first word. From the first word. Writing very very important ma. You need to explain exactly like this only in the interview. Many people doesn't know what happened inside architecture of word to vector. Trust me. Only very less people knows how it will works. Focus on that. Set up the target word. From this sentences, my target word is what is your target word? What do you want to keep? Any word. Mat. Then only they will come or on will come. फर्क क्या take middle one ना थोड़ा अच्छा दिखता है. That's why we are taking that. On you can take. Mat means only on the only then na. This side is cancel. On left side is only words are there. Right side is not there na. Like that. So target word equal to set. Now target word is equal to set. Now step 3. This is a very very important step. Now step 3. We need to create our gram, n gram, n gram, n gram. Instead of taking all the surrounding words, we need to fix the number of words. That is called what? N gram. Write it, ma. Instead of taking all the surrounding words, we can limit the number of words. That is called as n gram. Assume that we are using pi gram. We are using which gram? Pi gram. So from sat word, so sat left side, we have two words. What are those two words, ma? T comma cat, and sat right side also sat right side. Following ma online people, we have two words. That is called what, ma? On dia. To take the same unigram means we are taking the unigram. Then only cat, only on. Honor. Please change your text for unigram to read one word. Acha one, acha this one. Thanks. One word. Okay, na? Step one. Step one is we need to create a vocabulary. Step two is target word. Step three is n-gram. No, Sanjay, not done anything on Friday. Step four. Note down it if you are not note down. Noted, huh? In 6 months, you become very fast in the typing also. In 6 months, you become very fast in typing also. Now step 4, we need to create a one hot encoder for step 4. Step 4, create one hot encoder for the input words and target word. Assume that we are using only unigram. Assume that we are using unigram. Then what is the input chinna? Then input equal to only to a, what are that? Cat comma on. Then output equal to what ma? Set. Now well, first word कौन? Vocabulary. Cat, mat, on, sat. हाँ संजय क्या हुआ? He doesn't. What we need to do? He is engineering team, na generally. He is from engineering team only, na. TPM. अच्छा. Okay. हाँ. I thought that only they are hiring, na. They are hiring new joinees. So क्या हुआ? संध्या. चलो note down it. Understood? Not understood this? Then why you are seeing my faces? This is your vocabulary, Chinna. Wherever the vocabulary is there, that is your what? One. Remaining all are what? Simple only, na. अरे क्या रे? Today what happened, na? 9 o'clock batch में 9 o'clock batch we created WhatsApp, na. In the two very bad guys are taking one girl number and messaging to her. ना छिछोर छिछोर क्या कुदूर रे? Today they, tomorrow they miss their run or their numbers are shared. I'll go left and right tomorrow. That will come. Arre. Chidjo, Arre, why you are coming to the institute and why you are what you are doing for that? Huh? Huh? Hmm. 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 Weekly only. In that one is not. टागोर एंड फेक एंगेजमेंट लाइक 15 मिनट्स में हो जाएगा लाइक जस्ट टू एल एफ एम इज थोड़ा टाइम लग वेरी बैड स्टूडेंट्स अरे व्हाई यू आर कमिंग रा इंस्टीट्यूट దేవుడా I will call to your father. He will give bell treatment in the institute itself. What is the purpose you are here? We are creating for a good cause and you are making a very bad example. Hmm? Will throw from institute. Will not allow you. You are unfit candidate to leave also actually, but we can't kill him, na? Hmm. Like that. You are unfit candidate. You want to kill Mrutyunjaya? Why you are raising your hand? I'm on. He's taking very personal. I'll call you tomorrow. You hit him. Okay. Say like that she is my sister. Why you are messaging her? Blah 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 blah. Now, how many wants to you hit him? And everyone come. Everyone tomorrow. Our gang. Eh? Done, huh? Cricket bat. Huh? फर्स्ट we will there is time लगता है ना डाटा सेट लेने के लिए तो we will Hmm. 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 Sentiment analysis, you are saying, Sanjay? हाँ प्रवीण वाला, हाँ प्रवीण वाला, ओके ठीक है। ठीक है सिंह। हम्म। गॉट इट, गॉट इट। हम्म। 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 A well data set, huh? A well data set. A well. Generation AI well. I shared one tricks. Can you open that one, Sanjay? डॉक्यूमेंट में है। हम्म। संजय। कितना आइडिया। हम्म। हाँ here only I said I seen. हम्म। Yeah, we need to take some samples from here, and we will write some one prompt kind of thing. Hmm. User user comment, English user comment. So we'll take the English. Hmm. Hmm. That's the well. Why we want? We can take that eval tricks only, not directly then. Eval. Testing like we can do. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. That's the ground truth. Hmm. 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 So here first we will take these 383 samples. 383 samples we take as the input. In that we will take the English user comment and user English user comment and user impact. Two columns चाहिए. Two columns. We'll take those two columns and we'll create the prompt. That is the second step. And then we'll pass the data. That is the test data, and we will see the output. Or the 383 only we can divide into 200 plus 100 as. Hmm. 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 Got it. We can do now. That is test data, train data, eval data. Now test data we have. We'll take train and eval from the 383, and we will do that. And from prompt बनने के लिए we take the you use that policy document. We'll take the prompt. Hmm. This is the input ma cat. You understood? Very straightforward. And on. These are the inputs. This is a hidden layer. Hidden layer how many neurons ma? 300. And you will get a SAT here. Now something back propagation, forward propagation here, softmax. Which layer ma? Softmax. That is. And here this layer is there, this layer. The 300 nothing but your word embeddings. That is. Note on the diagram. Hmm. 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 ठीक है ना बनाना. Hmm. Achina, skip gram matlab reverse. Understood, right? Skip gram means what? Sat will come front, cat on will come later. Skip gram. This is the for the Sibao. A skip gram means it will come like this. Let's see here. What is saying that? The cat sat on the mat. Now she is a great dancer. Context words. Input encoding. Sat, the cat, and aggregated vector. Aggregated vector means what ma? Sum into single vector. Average. Average, they are taking the average and they are getting that. Neural network. Input layer. Same code. I dropped. चलो now open the Google Colab एक बार. Google Colab open करो. करो करो करो. Google Colab. You get some idea now. अब नया project आ गया. Every week one project. Now this time, if the user comments any threatening or harassment, violence on the any address or any phone number, the AI model should capture like that. That is out of the reviews. What is this? There's some reviews will be there, and there's some predicting categories will be there. Life threatening or harassment that I need to target. I need to extract the information later. Now see this, big companies are working so much on the AI things. Recently, there is a banking sector malhole AI or mule hole AI. Something is coming the banking sector. Some people होता ना, they will big guys, they will take the normal guys bank accounts. They will use the transaction purpose. You know that? That's called manhole or mule hole. Something is there in the banking sector. Let's type that once. Mule hole, manhole, mule AI in banking sector. Money mule. Innocent victims who are dumped to fraud, laundering, store illegal money. Means suppose I'm the very big guy. You doesn't know anything, but every month I will get 1 crore. क्या करना? I will use your account. I will give some amount to you. I will not say 1 crore I am getting. I will say that give me all your internet banking, everything details to me. Every month I will give 10,000 rupees to you. You will give, na? Then every month. That is called what? That's happening nowadays. So AI model, they are using the AI model to detect it. After that, I will not tell to you, I will Gaya. Then company will come, government will come, they will pakad you only, na, catcher. मेरे को नहीं होता. Because I will never show my face. I will change my phone number. Because you are a very illegal person, very illiterate person. You are a very poor person. But you have what? Bank account. You doesn't know how to track me. Like that. Yeah. So this is called. They are using some RBI cracks down the banking fraud deploys AI. Like that. Advent of Jandan account. So everything is given here, ma, auto vector and everything. Skip gram, everything. Same thing. So the package name is called pip install gensim. Karo ma. ठीक है हाँ ठीक है. Now so many projects are there, we are out of resources. Resource means peoples are not there. Those who are one or two persons are there, they people, many people doesn't know about LLM and Gen AI. Only I am only the pro in that. That's why all the projects are in my name. Now same, a huge discussion is going on. We need to train others also. New projects are coming. We need to train them, but they're not thinking we need to hire. We need to hire like they're not thinking. They are thinking like that we need to train them, groom them. थोड़ा creative बनना चाहिए. These things. If install Gensim, import Gensim, yes it is working.